So there are a few things to know when you are replacing the Samsung microwave door handle with this one, because there are a few issues to take note about. As you can see, it's not a silver color, but more of a rose gold or brass color. But at least it came with some screws. And as you can see, this is the temporary doorknob that I put on there just temporarily until I can get a handle to open the door. But it's really easy to replace. You just take off this back cover. You can use it with the screwdriver. And then you have the bolts. You can reuse the bolts, but in this particular case, I'm just going to use the screws that came with the handle. And I noticed here that it was not sitting flush, and I wasn't sure why. But I noticed on the bottom that there is the particular notch that's there. And there's also one at the top. And that's when I noticed the two things on the door. It had a bump on it, so it can only one way. But I also noticed the paddle, or like a little small ping pong paddle like shape, that it did not match the door. So there's no way it can get in there perfectly. You would have to shave it down to maybe get a flush, but the company should already knew that. So either they gave me the wrong handle, or either they just didn't make it perfect. But if you kind of ignore that, if you ignore it and just kind of look at it, not from the side, but like straight on, you don't even notice it. It works. And if you notice, if you see the genuine part, and you realize like, okay, I can live with this handle even though it's not perfect, and it works. And yeah, so I just wanted to make sure you know that it's not perfect. So it's up to you.